अब समर्स में नॉर्थ इंडिया साइड विंटर स्पॉट प्लान करोगे तो भीड़ तो मिलेगी फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस लाइक समर हॉलीडे, समरस्केप एटसेट्रा, एंड आई थिंक वन कैन ऑलवेज फाइंड अ स्वीट स्पॉट जस्ट लाइक आई डिड विद सम हेल्प इन Dalhousie Banikhet. Hello people, this is me Pragya Sharma exploring one at a time, and I am here to share my Dalhousie Banikhet experience with you all, in which include details like how many days are required to explore this town, places to explore, and some hidden easy hike spots which are not on the map or with any tourist guide, and they are super good for sunset and sunrise, local transport facility, cab sharing and bike rent, etc. To watch this video till the end to collect the information as much as possible. Let me know your suggestions or questions if any in the comment box, and now rock and roll. Revealing the 3 hidden spots which are not on the map because उनको ऐसे ही randomly name दे दिया गया है, but I guess soon people will catch these spots, of course, because of people like us. Spot 1, Khirdidar Mountain, which is situated at Khirdidar area. Literally इसका कोई dedicated direction नहीं है. Our hostels, local people helped us to go to that place. Basically एक tower है in the Khirdidar, उसको you have to follow and reach there. We drove to Khirdidar area from our hostel in Banikhet. So there is a small market about 500 meters from the hostel Banikhet, and from there we took a right turn towards Khirdidar, which took us around 10 to 15 minutes to reach there, and parked our vehicle considering the spot of the tower from where we had to start the hike. When we saw the closest tower, we saw a way on our right which was going up to the tower. We followed that way. It was a little scary though because बहुत ज़्यादा windy था and थोड़ा restricted area लिखा था, but we were like चलते हैं and trust me, you won't regret this. The view from the top was outstanding. One side we could see the river and far away you see Punjab and J&K, and so basically वहाँ से हिमाचल, Punjab and J&K दिखता है. And the other side if you go, you see some snow-capped mountain, beautiful scenic view. Grab some food with you, spend some time there, capture memories and relax. The best things to do at this spot. Spot 2, Volcanic Mountain in Kallar area. Now when you have to go back from the Khirdidar, remember जो 500 meters का market आया था from this hostel and you took a right, so अभी आपको left लेना है downside towards Kallar area. Sorry हाँ, if I'm pronouncing Kallar wrong, I'm not sure. In about 500 to 800 meters, we saw a way towards the upside and started hiking. Actually, we had a company who already did this hike, so it was kind of simple for us to figure out where to go. Otherwise, कुछ ऐसे turn आते हैं where you have to ask yourself कहाँ जाना है, and I think you will find your way. The hike is about 35 to 45 minutes and it is really easy hike for a day hike lover. Once you reach the top, you will see some burnt stone, and again, the view from there is amazing and worth the time. I don't think यहाँ कुछ ऐसा volcanic eruption हुआ होगा, or maybe possible way back in time, but for now it is very safe and a sweet spot. We did a morning hike to the top and it was the best. Spot 3, California Mountain. I personally do not like naming or listening to any other countries overtaking any Indian place, but what to do re? Now this is a super easy hike which gives you the ultimate gem of the Banikhet. You stay on the same route of the Kallar area जो आपने 500 meter market से left downside लिया था, and keep going straight. You will see a construction area. If you are coming by vehicle, park it and then on your left start going upward. हमारे लिए थोड़ा easy and quick था again because our hostel owner was there with us to guide. अरे इतना simple easy hike है यार, and क्या view मिलता है. I have not experienced such before. Sunset के लिए best है. Make sure you check the sunset timing to chase the golden hour and go for it. Spot 4, Banikhet Market. Explore the quiet side of Banikhet also, and the Banikhet small market where you can do the shopping and take a walk around. अच्छा है to plan something in the evening. Spot 5, Kajiyar, which is approximately 23 kilometers away from the Dalhousie. Please, let's stop popularizing this place as a mini Switzerland. A huge size meadow surrounded by the dense pine and deodar trees. Our first impression seeing that place was like, dude, this is a crowded place because काफी families आती हैं and one of the famous touristy place in Dalhousie. But the area is huge and you can find your spot away from the crowd to sit and relax. Restaurants are there offering good food. You can click pictures with their rabbits and the birds. I don't know why, but this is a very touristy and famous thing to do there. We all enjoyed our tiny time there, captured some memories and went to our next destination. Spot 6, Kala Top Wildlife. Okay, a disappointing place to cover in Dalhousie. There's a parking area and from there you walk for like 2 kilometers to reach the entry of the Kala Top. If you have your own vehicle, you can take it inside till the start of the Kala Top, but drive it only if you are a pro or confident about your driving. रास्ता काफी narrow है and vehicles keep coming and going, so आगे पीछे होता रहता है. You can go for a walk also, but waste है because ongoing vehicle might disturb you with dust. The timing is from 9 AM to 5 PM. For own car entry, the charge is 200 rupees and for a two-wheeler, the charge is 50 rupees. By the way, entry पे बोलेंगे to take a guide with you. आगे थोड़ा complicated है, guide लगेगा, etc. etc. Please do not go for this trap. Guide की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Finally, you reach to the Kala Top and see this is what it is. One souvenir shop, एक garden type है and 5-6 cafe to give you a hilltop feel and nothing. By the name Kala Top Wildlife, we were expecting something else, but at least not this. So it was really disappointed for us. Full on family crowd. By chance आप गलती से यहाँ आ जाओ जैसे हम आ गए, so munching या lunching का plan कर सकते हो like we did. Spot 7, Dain Kund or Polani Devi Mandir. Oh, now this is a real place of my kind. Dain Kund trek takes you to the peak where you see the mountain ranges and an easy trek towards the Polani Devi temple. Do not stop yourself midway guys, temple tak zarur jana. Okay, it starts from the base. You park your vehicle and start a hike of about 1 to 1.5 hours. Depending on your speed, it is a easy hike. ट्रैक आराम से रुक रुक के जाओगे तो भी इजीली कवर हो जाएगा. स्टार्टिंग का 30-35 मिनट्स थोड़ा सा स्टीप है, बस थोड़ा सा स्टीप है. इट इज ऑल गुड. गोइंग टू द टॉप फ्रॉम द टेम्पल वी रियलाइज दैट द व्यू इज completely 360 degree. The view is all about ranges. The tree disappeared and a nice meadow opened up. The sun was appearing and disappearing at the right time, helping us with the pleasant windy waves. By the name Dain Kund, I was expecting a small kund with water or a lake like Sirolsar Lake, but there was nothing like that. But what was there was really good. Spot 8, Dalhousie Gandhi Chowk Market. Okay, there are two famous markets in this town. One is Subhash Chowk, a smaller version of another famous market which is Gandhi Chowk, where there is a Saint Church, famous Mall Road, a Tibetan market and a famous Dalhousie cafe. Oh, it was a very small stretch of market unlike any other Mall Road. We went there to buy my usual souvenir fridge magnet, that's it, and decided to go back our peaceful stay place, Banikhet. So these are the 8 spots I covered during my trip. If you ask me my favorites, Dain Kund, then those 3 short hikes, Volcanic California and Khirdidar. I intentionally left Panchpola waterfall and Ganji Pahadi because of the feedback. Waterfall में पानी नहीं था. Ganji Pahadi by the name we thought naked surface होगा कोई top का, which was very true, so we skipped it. Chamera Lake is towards Chamba and it is quite far from Dalhousie. I will not count it to cover in this trip, so I skipped it by choice. Now to talk about the days required to explore these places, I would say 2.5 days. Day 1, you reach, relax and plan for daytime hike to Khirdidar mountain. You can walk till the top if your stay is in Zostel. Evening sunset plan कर सकते हो to California mountain. Same, you can walk from the hostel or can come by your vehicle. After the sunset, you can go to Banikhet market to shop or eat something of your choice. Day 2, go to Khachiyar, then visit Kala Top. I would suggest skip it for sure. Visit Dain Kund Peak and lastly go to Dalhousie market for shopping and eating. Day 3, plan for an early morning hike to Volcanic Mountain in Kalar. Again, if you stay in hostel, go by walk. If not, then opt for a vehicle, park it and start your hike. Keeping an extra day is very important and good thing in the mountains because you never know, पहाड़ों में कभी भी बारिश हो सकती है. I think these places are good to justify your Dalhousie trip, productive as well as relaxing at the same time. Now talking about the local transport facilities, cab sharing and two-wheeler rent. पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी काफ़ी स्लो है, लास्ट बस इवनिंग में 5 से 6 बजे तक चलती है, वेटिंग टाइम काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, उससे एक्सप्लोर करोगे तो आपको 4-5 दिन लग जाएंगे। उसमें भी बसेस गोज टू ओनली बनीखेत, डलहौजी एंड खज्जियार। Public transport is okay only for going to the markets, I would suggest. Cab sharing is an expensive option for a solo traveler like me. If you are in a hostel, so gather 3 to 4 people so that you can balance your expenses to an extent. Still, it is not an ideal because they will take you to the famous touristy spots and give you a count of 6 to 7 places to justify their price and somewhat time restrictions. The best option is renting a two-wheeler from the Dalhousie market. For a solo or two, this is a good option and because of the best, इसका काफ़ी shortage रहता है. In fact, on weekdays also most of the shops were running out of vehicle. So I will suggest booking in advance 2 दिन पहले. I was fortunate because there was this guy in a hostel who was traveling across in Himachal by his own vehicle. तो उसको भी वहीं जाना था and we gathered like 2-3 people and then we started exploring the city. I've collected some cab contact numbers and two-wheeler rental numbers for you. The information is in the description box, to check it at your ease. Please note that the above shared places and information are based on my personal experience and my choice of travel with ease. You can always customize your itinerary based on your travel time and comfort of your life. What else do you want to know? Do write to me in the comment section, or also you can reach out to me on my Instagram and Facebook handle. It's called Khao Local, Ghumo Global. This is me, Pragya Sharma, exploring one at a time, signing off. See me in my next release about food exploration in Dalhousie. Till then, travel safely, stay safe and explore the world with care. Bye. Salam.